People in Florida continue to struggle with the remnants of Hurricane Milton, and while people are working on getting supplies, there is a local group now making sure that animals are taken care of. Donations currently being accepted at the Poochie Chef in Duncansville. Food, medical supplies, cat litter, cleaning supplies, all items of interest. Hosting the drive in conjunction with Sylvan Veterinary and the MIA Foundation hope to take care of those overlooked during the hurricane cleanup.
A lot of the rescues, they got the animals out to safety, but then everything else was left behind. So dog food, cat litter, and then for cleaning, bleach, latex gloves, work gloves, paper towels, just all the things that they're going to need to get these dogs and cats, back in healthy, safe.
If you're interested, donations can be dropped off at the Poochie Chef. A truck filling event begins October the 16th and 17th.